Hey everybody, this is CryptoRobert and welcome back to my next video tutorial on Binance. And in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to fund your Binance account with Bitcoin or Ethereum from GDAX to Binance. Let's get started. Now that we've logged into our Binance account, we're going to need to fund it. Why do we need to fund our account? Simple. Without funding our account with either Bitcoin or Ethereum, we can't buy any altcoins. And since we can't buy any altcoins with US dollars or euros or a credit card or anything like that, you absolutely need Bitcoin or Ethereum in your Binance account to start trading. How do we do that? Really easy, guys. Click on the Funds tab here and click on Deposits. Okay, I've already pre-selected Bitcoin for my deposit, but there are many wallets that you can deposit. For example, if you want an Ethereum address to send to, type in ETH and there is your Ethereum address. Now, since I want to, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Bitcoin. I want to put back the Bitcoin BTC, excuse me. And as you see very clearly, there is the address, the Bitcoin deposit address. I'm going to copy this address. Okay, and now we need to log into GDAX. I'm already logged into GDAX. So once you're in your GDAX account, I'm going to show you something really cool. You know how we have to pay network fees, Bitcoin fees to send money back and forth. And it's really annoying to pay, you know, 50 cents or $1 or more. Well, with GDAX, you don't have to pay anything, which is really cool. All you got to do is, all you need is to have Bitcoin in your GDAX account. Now, you could have transferred this over from your Coinbase account because, as we know, Coinbase and GDAX are the same company. But the difference is that with Coinbase, they charge you for sending Bitcoin out as a network fee using the Coinbase exchange. But for whatever reason, and for however long it lasts, the developers of GDAX, obviously the same people of Coinbase, well, they designed GDAX in a way where when you send Bitcoin to another wallet address, it doesn't charge any network fees, which is really cool. Which means that Coinbase and GDAX, they're picking up the tab for the network fees. So let's do that right now. I've already got about 0.01062324 Bitcoin, and that's the exact amount that's going to be sent to my Binance account. Click on Withdraw, click on the BTC address. This is the destination it's going in. Copy and paste, and I'm clicking the max amount. Okay, that's the max amount going, and I need to get that security code. All right. And let me pop that in from my phone. Once you got that all set, just do a double take, make sure you get all the everything correct here, and withdraw funds. Now, this will take as long as a Bitcoin network transaction takes. 6 confirmations usually takes about an hour. And that will hit your Binance account in about an hour. So I'm going to stop the video and come back in about an hour and finish it. Now, if you want to check on the funds you just sent from your GDAX account to Binance, you need to check on Coinbase. Now, as you can see here, here is the transaction. It's still pending. If I click on it right now and view the transaction, I do want to explain one thing very clearly. You see here, GDAX is sending out these transactions with very minimal fees. This amount of Bitcoin right here is about worth $239 at the current price of Bitcoin of around 9,300. However, the fees that GDAX included is around 29 cents. It's a really low fee. So it's getting the minor preferences, low minor preferences. In other words, all the Bitcoin mining companies out there, independents to large companies, they're not going to give this transaction a high priority. What does that mean? It means that this transaction may take more than an hour. It could take 6 hours, 7 hours, or longer. So yes, while you can send your Bitcoin from GDAX to Binance for free, it's not always the best solution. In fact, you do run the risk that this transaction may not be verified for a long, long time, days perhaps. So that is why it's usually best to send your Bitcoin from your wallet, like your Exodus wallet or a blockchain wallet or some other wallet that where you are paying the fees and you can get it to your exchange very quickly. Now, if you have no rush whatsoever to send the money to your exchange and you're not really caring about missing out on buying a certain coin or whatever, or you're just starting out, then sure, use GDAX to send your Bitcoin or Ethereum for free to your Binance account, Binance exchanger, or any exchange for that matter. But bear in mind that there is going to be a bit of a penalty because the fees are so low. Just to help you guys out a little bit, if you're going to be imitating me with sending Bitcoin from GDAX to Binance, I'll let you know the full amount of time it has taken to send that amount of Bitcoin to Binance, how many hours or even days for that matter. Well, I'm back on Binance, and can you believe that the transaction from GDAX to Binance took less than 20 minutes, even though there was that really tiny transaction fee that GDAX included? I know, that's pretty cool, right? Well, that might not always happen, but in this case, it happened really, really quickly. But bear in mind that it may not be the case. You may have to wait many, many, many hours to get your money from GDAX to an exchange like Binance when there are really, really tiny minor fees attached to it. But I'm not complaining because here's the money right here in the very top row on May the 8th here. So there's the exact amount of Bitcoin I deposited from GDAX, the 0.01062,324, or about $100 worth of Bitcoin. Granted, that's not a lot, but I have another $200 or so of Bitcoin, so I have a combined total of about $300 worth of Bitcoin that I can start trading and buying some altcoins. So, are you ready to see what the exchange looks like? Let's get a sneak peek. You might be thinking, what am I looking at? Well, that's the end of this video because I am not going to explain anything on the exchange because that's going to get its own video. So stay tuned for my breakdown about what you're looking at on this page and on this page too, the advanced trading view. Stay tuned. See you in my next video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and please click the like button. All right, I'm gone for now. Bye-bye. See you later. Sayonara. Arrivederci. Bye-bye. Done.